is a very exciting day. Today we're in the car with Ricardo and we are headed to our design appointment for our new home. So we actually just sold our house and we are going to be building a new house, and we're so excited because we're going to be moving just closer to family and just in another area that we wanted to move to. So today we are headed to a design appointment where we get to choose basically everything for the house, like the fixtures, the floor, carpet, paint, all that stuff. So we're super excited. So we're just gonna be documenting this whole like new house process, design process, and just kind of take you guys along with us. We did this for our first home and it was really fun, and it was so nice to look back on all the memories of how we built that home. And now we are getting ready to do it all over again with our new house. So stay tuned. So they just put down, what is this called? The frame for the slab. Yay, they're starting the work. Oh my god.
They have the permit and stuff like that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So they got the permit.
Yeah.
So exciting. We're at the house now. It's right behind me there. We're about to go and bless it with some Bible verses. So we're just gonna write some verses on the framing in there for each of the rooms, and before they actually like continue building on it. So if you guys can see it. So this is what our house currently looks like. They've done the first floor. We're about to go in there. Oh my goodness. So this is the sitting room. This is going to be one room, and then the bathroom. This is going to be the dining room. Then I think this is kitchen, table, breakfast room area. This is the kitchen, and then that's the living room over there. This looks so cool. first floor. They got the framing up. It's really cool. We actually have a clear picture of what it's gonna look like. We just put up some Bible verses in some of the rooms in the entryway. dining room, living room, kitchen. So yeah, it's exciting. Look at our home. Second floor is up. Working on the roof, I think next, and a couple other things, but at least we got a second floor. Yay! We came back to see the house, and it's looking really good. Got a front door. They're probably gonna paint that too. I like the little windows up at the top of it. Wow. OMG. Look, our fireplace is in. Our fireplace. Our bathtub is here.
Yeah, look, the fireplace.
What's the other one? What's the other box for?
Oh, it's probably this shower.
Got a fireplace. Windows to the backyard. At the house, I'm currently in the breakfast room area, but they have added windows, so we have some windows on the first floor. They've installed the fireplace, and the bathtub is here, I think, for one of our rooms. So that's exciting.